Okay, the fuse box to turn the lights back on should be over here. I just have to flip all these switches on, and there. Wait, what the heck? Hey, can you hold up a second and let me finish this?
Hey, no need.
Wow, impressive.
Guess it would be to a square such as yourself. Cool cats like me are always doing boss stuff, Daddy-O. Anyways, you better goose it before the imposter comes around. Word from the bird is that Betty is cruising for a bruising, you dig?
What? Ah! Oh, come on! Why am I always the one getting killed as a crewmate? Come on, Greaser! Run away! Report my death! Do something! Wow, seriously, Greaser? That's how you're gonna go out? Crying in a corner?
Please, I don't want to die. Please, I don't want to die. Hey, player, over here.
Hey, veteran.
Player, have you met Greaser? This guy's awesome.
Yeah, we've met before, and he most certainly is not awesome.
You're bugging. Put an egg in your shoe and beat it, pal. Yeah, put bugs in your eggshells and eat it, pal.
That's not the saying, veteran.
Whatever, dude, close enough.
This is nonsense. Absolute nonsense.
It's nonsense, he says.
It'd be worse than mere nonsense, boy.
Give me back my color, the gentleman, or should I say, the scoundrel.
Scoundrel? Watch your tongue, Captain. I only switched to white because my usual color was plundered away by this rapscallion.
Excellent point, sir.
Yarr, a rapscallion am I now? Them's be fightin' words, laddie. I got ye ash color fair and square. This scallywag in purple be the one who stole me own name.
Your own name? Ha! I've gone by Captain since I graduated from 14 years of flight school.
Isn't that a 6-month program?
Not for me.
Enough! Let's handle this with a bit of civility, shall we? I will give up this spiffing white outfit in return for my usual charcoal garb. Cap'n will switch to a different shade, a nice cyan perhaps, light blue, just like the clear Caribbean seas. Yarr, that does sound nice. But what do I get? Your name back, of course. Can't be a commander of pirates without the title of captain. Arr, you ain't wrong, matey.
Wait, but I'm Captain.
Not anymore. Now you go by the name Leader.
Fine.
I seriously need to find a new group to play with.
Everyone scatter!
Hey, veteran! Oh my god, player, it's Greaser. Is he looking over at me? Do I look cool? How's my hair?
You don't have any hair, veteran?
Oh my god, you're right. I just got this stupid crown. I look like an idiot. Hey, what's buzzing, cousin? Oh, so cool.
Okay, I'm ending this now.
Greaser, no! Why? Why, player?
You want to win, don't you?
Not like this.
You'll get over it.
Greaser.
Come on, let's get out of here before someone finds us with the body. Let's go, veteran.
I want to stay with Greaser. I want to stay with Greaser.
Great Neptune's beard, this is hard.
All right, stand watch. Don't let anyone see me.
Got it. Don't let anyone see you. Wink, wink.
Why are you saying it like that?
I think we're on the same page.
Okay, whatever, just stay here.
This is actually impossible. Oh, hey, Blair.
Hey, leader.
Blair, is it possible for you to call me Captain when the real Captain and the gentleman aren't around? I know I agreed to the name change, but deep down I really didn't want to, and it makes me sad.
Sure, I guess.
I knew you would. You're my best friend.
What's that now?
Yep, you're my best friend, all right. Really, my only friend. That's why I wrote a song about us celebrating our bromance. You want to hear it? Oh! Player, 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 he's my best friend, best friend, best friend, best friend. Player, 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 he's my best friend, best friend, best friend, best friend. Player, captain, best friends, best friends, best friends, best friends.
Oh my god.
Yeah, I know, right? Pretty pitchy. Lyrically, though, it's got some real potential.
What? Why are you covered in blood?
Oh, don't worry, it's not my blood. It's from these crewmates I killed.
How did you do this?
Like with the murders? Well, with the gentleman I did the old needle tongue. That always gets him. And Mr. Egg I just bashed in the face with a crowbar. I don't even think that's an animation in game. Not quite sure how that happened.
No, I mean, how did this all happen in the 10 seconds I was gone?
Oh, tons more than that happened. Captain and Stoner spotted me from down the hall and threatened to report the bodies till I said, if you guys get even an inch closer, you'll join the gentleman and Mr. Egg in Ghost Sound USA. That's what I call when you dine among us. Pretty cool, right? Hoping it catches on.
Veteran.
Oh, sorry. Anyways, they were all like, you're going down for this. You might be a god-tier imposter, but we're gonna call an emergency meeting and vote you out. Don't worry though, I gave you all your props, and I was like, hey, it's not me, guys. Blair was the real mastermind of the whole situation. I was just following his orders. If anyone should get called a god-tier imposter and get voted out, it should be him. What?
You're going to pay for this one, veteran. Oh, you're going to pay.